Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to open and save into an Mshwari Lock savings account. The Mshwari Lock savings account is designed for customers who want to save for a defined purpose and lock their funds for a set period. The lock period ranges from 1 to 12 months, and during this time, the funds cannot be withdrawn until maturity. This account offers higher interest rates and is ideal for those who want to keep money safe for future use. So here are the requirements. To open a lock savings account, you must be an Mshwari customer. If you haven't joined yet, go to your m-pesa menu, select My Account, then Update menu. Once updated, go back to Loans and Savings, select Mshwari, click Activate Account, and accept the TOS. So once activated, follow these steps to open and deposit into your lock savings account. Go to m-pesa and select Loans and Savings, choose Mshwari, then Lock Savings Account. Click Open an Account and select the source of funds, either m-pesa or Mshwari. Enter your target amount and select a lock period between 1 and 6 months. Input the amount to save and confirm the transaction using your m-pesa PIN. You'll receive an SMS confirmation once your lock savings account is set up. So basically that's it.